What if a car could whisper like a Rolls, but launch like a supercar? That's exactly where the 2026 Bentley Continental GT steps in. A machine that doesn't just blur the line between luxury and performance, it completely erases it. Because this time, Bentley didn't just upgrade the Continental GT, they re-engineered its soul. For years, the Continental GT has been a heavyweight icon. Back in the early 2000s, Bentley shocked purists by introducing a twin-turbo W12 Grand Tourer, a car that combined limousine-level comfort with insane straight-line speed. It wasn't built for corners, it was built to dominate highways. Fast forward to 2026, and everything changes. The legendary W12 is gone. In its place, a cutting-edge plug-in hybrid system built around a twin-turbo V8 and electric motors working in perfect sync. And no, this isn't about efficiency. This is about power. Instant, brutal, electrified power. We're talking around 770 horsepower. That's not just fast for a Bentley, that's knocking on supercar territory. 0 to 60 happens in just over 3 seconds. And the way it gets there? Completely different from anything before it. There's no waiting for boost, no lag. The electric motor hits instantly, delivering a surge of torque the moment you touch the throttle. Then the V8 kicks in, layering raw combustion power on top of that silent electric punch. It's smooth, it's violent, it's addictive, and the craziest part? It still feels like a Bentley. Because despite all this performance, the Continental GT hasn't lost its identity. It's still heavy, planted, and unbelievably stable at high speeds. But now, thanks to advanced torque vectoring and a smarter all-wheel drive system, it's sharper than ever. Corners that used to feel like a suggestion now feel like an invitation. The car rotates better, it grips harder, it hides its weight in ways that almost don't make sense. And then there's the silence. Switch into EV mode, and the entire character transforms. The engine disappears, the world outside fades. You're left gliding forward in near total silence, wrapped in handcrafted luxury. It's almost surreal. A car this big, this powerful, moving without a sound. But Bentley didn't stop at performance and powertrains. The design of the 2026 Continental GT is a masterclass in evolution. At first glance, it looks familiar, but look closer, and you'll notice sharper LED headlights, a more aggressive front grille, and subtle aerodynamic refinements that give it a more modern, commanding stance. It's not trying too hard, because it doesn't need to. This is presence without noise. Inside, it's exactly what you'd expect, and then some. Hand-stitched leather covers nearly every surface. Real wood trims, polished metal accents, and that iconic rotating display that switches between digital screens and analog dials. But now, everything feels more advanced. The infotainment is quicker, the driver assistance systems are smarter, and the cabin feels like a perfect blend of old-school craftsmanship and next-gen technology. This is where Bentley separates itself, because anyone can make a fast car, but not everyone can make a fast car feel this special. And that's what the 2026 Continental GT delivers, a dual personality that few cars on the planet can match. Silent luxury when you want it, explosive performance when you need it, no compromises. And that brings up something bigger. If Bentley, a brand built on tradition, craftsmanship, and heritage, is going this hard into electrification, what does that mean for the rest of the industry? Are we looking at the end of pure combustion Grand Tourers? Or is this the beginning of something even more exciting? Because if this is what 770 hybrid horsepower feels like in a luxury coupe, imagine what's coming next. This isn't just evolution, this is a warning shot. And here on Motor Axis, one thing is clear. The future of performance isn't just loud anymore. It's electric, intelligent, and absolutely ruthless.